Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This episode topic is Ukraine, its political system as well as defense forces expenditure. Ukraine is led by Zelensky. It is a small country compared to Russia. It is a neighboring country. Russia-Ukraine war is going on. It has devastated the world economy. The war has devastated the world economy. Ukraine, Ukraine joining NATO has caused the war. Russia didn't like it. There is a politically also they are different. Ukraine is totally democratic. Russia is autocratic country. Though Ukraine is small in military size, it is supported by West very much. Um, so there is a need for disarmament of Russia first and then Ukraine. Then only the disarmament will be complete. Similarly, all around the world, the disarmament should take place. Thank you so much.